Sanbonani, Dumelan of Shani. Hello, hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nonotiro here, popularly known as Nonzati. Today is Tuesday, guys, 25th of February. We are doing laundry. We are busy with the laundry. That's the reason I am so crusty. So another week, another vlog. Let's start a new vlog, guys. How vlogging? Welcome to the new vlog. Welcome to the new video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much, guys. I see this channel, it's growing. I hope you are here to stay, guys. Kumnandi kubala, please, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate the subscribers that I see more vlogging ya kama channeling. At least we are growing in this channel, guys. Today is Tuesday. Busy ka laundry khona. Later on today, I just want to open this vlog. Later on today, we are going to check us. The reason we are going to check us, guys, let me show you something. We have won a voucher, guys. My husband won a voucher for check us. So we are going to spend. We are going to chow our voucher, guys. Let me just explain to you. Mudimo omogolo and the battles is not as tsa rona di battles tseo ke tsa modimo gore a re lwele tsone. Last week my daughter ne ile go dira moriri. I didn't share this. I share it, I think, on TikTok because I was warning about the danger of a cat is a tepane. Guys, my daughter o rata gore ke rata go dira a long intro. I just want to be quick. Are ke bua thata each and every vlog tsaka intro yaka it's very long. I just want to be quick, or I don't know whether I should just open the vlog. I will explain that on a later stage, but because of I've already a voucher. Let me just explain. My husband wanted this voucher. We got a call last week Monday. Yeah, it was Monday. Yeah, when he was going back to work. You know, guys, sometimes we create the call to win the competition. So for you, you've never entered any competition. We used to think this scam, and then you just drop the call. So he got the call. We were on our way to Zrast. The time I was driving to Zrast, by the time it was raining, he get a call win something. So for him, because why it was such a competition, he dropped the call. Then the call a bit and a happy. Then let me just listen to this lady. So the lady now explained last year towards December, you bought a Annabelle sparkling wine. My husband, and because of Hanui alcohol, Nasa remember so I bought Annabelle sparkling wine, non-alcohol for my daughter for birthday sweet 16. The birthday year sweet 16. I hope le bone more vlog, but I didn't put the whole vlog. That sweet 16, we bought 2 bottles of Annabelle go ShopRite liquor Morena Mall. Na re tswile mo dilo kante go na le draw, automatically draw ya rendera on that time. Then we won this voucher, guys. So after the day Eric relaying the call this voucher, the 17 is a thing. Get the timing my daughter let me switch off the washing machine heighting a spreader switch off the tap. Besties, I'm back. So yes, guys, something happened at the time my daughter we got stuck. There are some guys, they were helping us only to find that they are going to steal the car because of car my daughter was in the car. So the guy who was helping us so that my husband and others but push fast forward, then the car get lost. We thought somewhere my daughter. We went back there because there are some things still in Kidilata. So I thought pick up those things Kidilata. I end up the cat. Little did we know then we give up, we drove back home. The cat tape. Notification. The cat is not lost, it was stolen. Then the guy who chose the card, then why swipe somewhere. My daughter wanted the notification, more phone ya gagwe gore tšhelete ya gagwe ya tsamaya. That's how you realize gore the card is gone. And the Hana app, we didn't get the chance to stop the card. So okay, because of Kiwana, there was not that much amount of money in the card. It ended up in Nahor and we are decliner with all of the money. The next day, that's how we got this call. Yahore, we have won the 17. We needed that struggle. Sa gore koloi is takile mo diretseng karata ya ngwana e utswile e withdraw chelete. The lady o logang ha mo patela because of chelete re tsentse re go patela ka yone e utswile. I'm sorry for gore ke bue sebaka, but ke tla checka gore ha ke tle go feta 10 minutes because it's already 5 minutes. The next day ka di 18 we got a call ya gore we have won a 10,000 voucher. 10,000 voucher. You go check us. So we are going to chow the money. I'll take you through with me, guys, when I spend the money. Go check us. So ke mo ha o ke mo utlwele botlhoka a modimo o a rabile dithapelo tsa rona di o phomotse dikeledi tsa rona tsa gore ba utswile ka rata ba withdrawile chelete gna chelete ga patela o so logana. Worry no more, my child. I am here for you. I will answer your prayers. I'm going to gift you with something bigger than the money that is gone. I'm going to reward you with something bigger. So here, guys, today we have a 10,000 checkers gift voucher that we have to spend only go checkers because it is in a gift voucher. So it's something, guys. For me, it's a big thing. It's a big thing. 10,000. The girl can get 10,000. I will buy a grocery. I will buy some of the appliances that I need in the house. So, bye, guys. I will take you through with me later today when we go to checkers. Bye.
It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shades, and you're doing the same. No rain, no flowers, nothing's growing where you're at. Heart is fire, but baby, I bet you're cold without me, even when it's 90 degrees. Without me, I bet that you can get any sleep in that bed, lying awake. 'Cause I'm not there beside you, keeping you warm at night. No, I bet you're cold. You're so damn cold. It never rains in California. The sun is always shining bright. But if the sky would open up, you're staying home, you don't get out. You always used to love the rain, but LA changed you. No.
Morning, guys. Hi, besties. Hi, family. Guys, today is the next day. Yesterday, I didn't take you through with me when I go to checkers because of the previous vlog. I vlog ko checkers. My previous vlog, it's a shopping ko checkers. Then I take you through with me because no, this time I will just come back after I shopping. I just get a little sleepy when I enter the shop. Okay, yeah. So as you see, Mamaraga is the grocery haul. I did it. But next I explain each and everything. The only thing that I want to explain is this tea, guys. Yeah. I just show you the grocery haul without saying nothing, but I just want to. I bought this tea, masala chai flavored tea blend, and the lemon flavored green tea. The brand they are thinking Forage and Feast. Yeah, ke brand they are checkers. Yeah. That's the only thing that I can do. And I honey ginger tea that lost me. Yeah, this is the tea that I want to try. Then let's go to the big thing, guys. Let's go to the big thing. Yesterday I bought myself pots and microwave. That's the reason because I like to grocery haul because of I'm going to be long. I'm going to be long, so I just want to read unboxing ya the pizza tsa rona and microwave. Let me pack this stuff, then we'll go back to unboxing the pizza le microwave.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can't always stay here.
Guys, I've got my pot. Drum roll. Let's guys, because I'm going to unbox for my TikTok. Please guys, follow me on my TikTok, on my all social media platform. Emphasize this on my YouTube channel. Please follow me on my YouTube, on my TikTok, Facebook and Instagram guys. Please, my name handle all Nonotiro, all on my social media platform. Nonotiro. On my TikTok, it's Nonza T0. TikTok Nonza T0, small letters. So please follow me on my all social media platform. I'm going to unbox this for my TikTok. Here is the smalling and a pan, guys. What I like about this pot tatane is this finishing touch here thing. I love the oak. This. They complement this pot, the gold part here and this color mona. Ooh. And guys, the one side is strong. Ooh. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she lovely?
Something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken.
Okay besties, that's it for today. We are done. I will take you through with me when I clean and everything. I'm about to start with my workout and I'm late. This thing ends like I'm late with my workout. So bye guys. I will take a friend of mine. We are going somewhere, car wash and dun. So I'll take you through with me if you are going to have that date with my friend, a car wash date. Bye guys. Baita. Oba fit. Ke mo video. Besties, we are here at the car wash guys. The way Nikila has to my friend who grilled I had to rush. So we are here. So change of location. We decided to go to Monkomos bottle store and car wash. It's my first time. It's my first time in Kafana, so so even no, let's choose between the two. Big go Mata we to go monti ke go lebetse mpote ka hayana. Ntse ke go lebetse ne di tsetse ke re ka go ya hela le nna ke iketlile ke go tlhatsa koloi. Ke re ka go botsa go weekend wena wa. That's why go ra ke re one Saturday for magang. Wa bona it's chill place. Wa thogela weekend. Guys, ke na le my friend ke rileng ke gona ba re tlo go tlhatsa koloi. Re tlo go chilla, boys ba solo. Chill Wednesday chillers.
you, baby, jabata. I know get time, jabata. That cover my face, calling me jabata. Biggie man, we don't think we're jabata. What's it go? You are go, all depend. They can't ride it, and your feet die for nothing. What's it go? You are go.
Okay. Guys, bobuti baba shanky bane. Bobuti baba bereka mo molelong day in, day night. We need to appreciate them. We need to appreciate them. Bona go go letsatsi yang but deep mo gare ga molelo. Ke ena ma ya ke. Tla ke tla ka yeng go tlung. Guys, go mo ke stop station. O tsena ko koloing o ba koloi, o tsena ko nameng o ba o reka nama wa go besa. O pota ka ha yanong. Ka mo di paving yanong.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can't always stay here forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. 'Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Tobalo makoma, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him look red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord.
Mosadi ke vene, mataka o tsama ka vene ye nngwe e kima. Ngwanyana ke vene, so
I cannot trust my neighbor. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. Bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I learn.
here it's our new microwave. The mirror one. Yes guys, I am done for the day. I didn't go to do my hair as I said earlier on. Later on we are going to do our hair, so I didn't go to do my hair, so I decided to take you through with me as I take out the old microwave and place the new one. Bye guys, bye for the day.
He dey like a petition, he dey make man dey fly. And that's why when I dey for road, he be you dey my mind. Or if you say you go live with me, voila, you go make.
I'm about to pack my new pot, so let's clean with me the cupboard. Let's start with the top part, then we'll come with the guys. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. Look at this. This is how my cupboard is. So we are going to clean it. Other things I'm going to throw them away because I don't know why I'm keeping them. There are irons that that are not working. There are kettles that are not working. So that's it, guys. So let's clean together. Let's clean together, guys. So besties, these are the things that are inside my cupboard. This blender, it's not working anymore. It has broken long time ago. So I thought I create somebody to fix it for me because of Niki Rata, and for the fact that I need 2-in-1. This side take a juice blender somewhere. I don't know, then part of a blender. Guys, I don't know. Here it's my rice cooker. I'm keeping it. Here's my coffee machine. Like, guys, everything is stacked here. I don't know why I'm keeping it. I don't know why I'm keeping that kettle. It's not working. And down there it's my frying pan. Yeah, it's my frying pan. That one is deep fryer. This one is deep fryer. This one, you know.
God it I go feel to die. But I demand over you, baby girl. I go cry over you. Where then they make a fight over you, baby. I make a fight over you, baby. Say I demand over you. If you leave, I go cry over you. Where then they make a fight over you, baby. Make a fight over you, baby. Oh, baby girl, you body. Girl, the way you whine. Demand over you now.
Besties, tell me why I need 3 Tell me why 3 irons because I've bought a new iron. I get that thing, yeah. Attachment issues, man. Attachment issues. My husband, why I sent karapa, but when they will occupy your space. They are not working. Why and I'm not going to take them away, guys. My husband will fight with me because of why it's why let me not get disturbed and the PC ya gage ke kono ma ke di raka tsa ka ke occupy space ka di pizza tsa ka ke ntshe makarapa ke bone gore ke a isa ka. Look at this, guys, look at this.
You are my woman, my superwoman. The man over you now, the man over you now. Die for the love, girl I want me, she want for the dough. Last half for the love.
Guys, this frying pan, I've never used it. And the present it is still new. I see so long I 18 years in marriage. This year we are turning 19 in marriage. This is a gift. But I see
Girl I want for the die for the dough. Die for the dough.
Besties, good morning. Hi guys, today it's Friday. Mr. T is going back to work. Guys, I want to pay my membership card again. This thing here who work out inside the house, home workout, sometimes it's not working. So I'm going back to the gym by Monday. I will be back to gym. So from here I get to drop my husband. I'll be going back to gym. I'm going to pay. I say but for now I will still do with my Lepondo relaxed hair. So yes guys, it was just an update. Ke go drop my husband go di hiking, then ke be ke ya go Mabana go gymanteng. I'm going back to Mabana again, then ke go patela my membership, and Monday I'm going back to work. Guys, my husband go koloi o nkemetse wa go nkomanya gore ke a modia. I'm wearing my dress. I'm wearing my long pink dress. I can't because of Kerudia, my husband. Bye guys. Chat later.
You make me feel get there from my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I go, my whenever I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm.
Hi besties. Yo kushushu. Khwafisa. Guys, I'm done. Mom mabana ke tshotse di form application forms tsa Jimmy. Yeah. I'm going to fill them. I thought ke go tswa fa ke feditse. Everything. Nani kita ke patela. Because of I was attending here last year, so I thought mo systeming you just pay and continue. Can't know you start from the beginning. You fill the form again. So I cannot copy your ID. I don't have 2 ID photos, so ke santse ke go khata 2 ID photos and I ke loga meriri gore ke go khata di photo tse di ntseng yang batho because nna manta ga ke batla go starta ka gym but I dire sepe man, it's just photos tsa access card. So I will take 2 photos ke go tlatsa di form tsena, then be ke dira ID copy, then be ke di busa so that Monday ke be ke starta go gym. Mr. Tuesday mail, I've dropped my husband. So that's it for today. I'm done. See you guys. I don't know if I'm going to close this vlog today. Please guys, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share my videos. My returning subscribers, thank you so much guys. My new subbies, I am welcoming you in this channel with love. I'm welcoming you with love guys. I really appreciate that. Please don't forget to say something in the comment section. Just leave a heart, just comment guys, talk to me in the comment section because of let's already atusa if people they are commenting more your channel. So yeah, just comment, just say something, just leave a heart. I love you guys. Please, bye. I don't know if I will go to the funeral tomorrow, but even if I'll go to the funeral, I don't think it is a funeral. We don't take content. Abantu baya khala, people they are in pain. So when all you think of is taking content, I don't like taking content at the funeral. We don't do that. We don't take content. At least if you leak lona after the funeral, if you cheat or when on your way to the funeral just to show okay guys, it's Saturday, as I said that I'm going to the funeral, but we don't cut we don't cut the coffin and all that, people crying. We don't do that. I personally, I don't do that. So if I'm going to the funeral, it's fine, but I think I want to close this vlog here. Thank you guys. I love you. Bye.
Feeling rich although I'm poor. I said, don't